Aloha! I'm Belle, and I'm here to help you dance the hula. One of the first things you'll have to remember to do is to bend your knees, which is very helpful in moving your hips from side to side. Because if you try moving your hips from side to side without bending your knees, it will look like this. And it will look very stiff. So just bend the knees a little bit and you will find that you will be able to move your hips nice and gracefully. This is the single step that will start you off in hula. I call it the key step. You can use it to work with your hips from right to left, right to left. And this is called the Oniu hip sway. Just bring your hand close to your body. And then you can also do the figure 8 with your hips. Moving your hips like a number 8. And we call this
Oniu.
Now let's try another hip movement called the Ami. That's a hip circle. Let's break it down from your left to the back, to the right, and to the front. Left, behind, right, front. Now, if you can do that nice and smooth, you will have a good-looking Ami. Now we are going to do the Hula Step, which is 2 steps to the right and 2 steps to the left. Step right, left, right, and tap. Left, right, left, and tap. And you will notice that I'm also swaying my hips every time I take a step. This is the basic Hula Step. With the Hula Step, we're going to do some hand movements. So I work my students' hand movements in this manner. They find it easy to follow because hands are very important in hula. So to exercise your fingers, bring your hands out in front and let your wrists do the movement, going down and up. Pull your wrists down, pull your wrists up, down and up, down and up. You incorporate all these movements into your dance, and this would be the basic hula position for the hands. So you go 1, 2, 3, up, and then transfer your hands across your body. And this hand should be right in the middle, so your body is like cut in half, and your hands are in this position. Now transfer again. Don't ever bring your hands down and then bring them up. Make sure you transfer them across. And look at your hands as they move. Now let's put them all together doing the Hula Step. Footsteps and hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, kaholo, and left, kaholo. Right, kaholo, and left, kaholo. So are some of the most basic movements for hula. And As we continue, I'm happy to teach you a few more footsteps.
So I look forward to your support and kind comments as I continue to bring you more tutorials of my favorite Hapahaole hula dances. Mahalo and aloha!